In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a replacement social security card completely online. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website over here called ssa.gov. By the way, you can do this on both mobile devices and on your desktop. Me personally, I recommend using a desktop because you're able to see the UI way cleaner. Anyways, guys, it is then going to direct you to a website that looks like this, and I'm just going to be as honest as possible. This process is going to be a little bit tricky because obviously a social security is very sensitive information. Also, please make sure you strictly go to the ssa.gov website. Do not click on any other website or any other link except this one. So the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down here to where it says manage benefits and information, and where it says number and card, you want to go ahead and press on replace card right over here. Okay, so now it is going to go ahead and bring you to a page that looks like this. So you can request a free replacement card. So you may not need to replace your card if you know your social security number. In most cases, a physical card isn't even necessary. So before you do this, you need to go ahead and actually answer a questionnaire right over here. And if you want someone to walk you through this process, because obviously this is really sensitive information here, they do have some numbers that you guys can go ahead and actually call, and they will guide you through the entire process as well. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on answer a few questions right over here. And in order for you to actually be eligible, you need to be at least 18 years or older. So please go ahead and select on that. And also you need to be a US citizen. So go ahead and just press on that. And you need to have a mailing address. So also go ahead and press on yes. So you will need a driver's license or a state issued ID from a participating state. So let's go ahead and select on driver's license right over here. And then you need to go ahead and select on your state right over here. So yeah, this is actually the questionnaire to even determine if you're eligible to get a replacement social security card. So please go ahead and carefully fill it out. And what changes do you need on your social security? So you really don't want to change too many things at the same time. So for example, don't try to change your name and also get a new card at the same time, or like change all of these over here. That is not going to work. So for this video, I'm just going to keep it simple to no changes needed. And then it is going to let you know if you actually are eligible. And keep in mind, guys, if you actually are going to go through with this, you will need some documents to actually verify that it's actually you. So yeah, you will need to provide a state issued ID right over here. And if you're 100% sure you want to do this, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on apply online right over here. Then you will need to create an account with login.gov over here, or you need to go ahead and sign in with id.me. But basically it is going to walk you through the entire process. And if you never made an account for either login.gov or ID Me, then you guys can go ahead and press over here where it says create an account with login.gov right over here. And then from there, you guys are actually able to create the account, and then you guys can return back to this website, log in, and start actually getting your replacement social security card. Remember, guys, please be very careful. And me personally, I always recommend getting someone on a call center to do this with you. Even though, you know, it may seem a little bit basic, it's always good to just have an expert nearby and stuff like that. So please, guys, be safe, and I wish you all the best. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.